All right, guys, for your band seated single arm alternating row with a reach, you're going to set up with a band attachment. Okay, in a seated position, I might ask for, is this kind of a long seated position or more of a short seated position where your knees are maybe bent more to roughly 90 degrees-ish. Okay, I'll make sure I clarify within the notes which one I want. And then from here, what I want you to do is all the same rowing mechanics apply. Even though we are going to be rotating with this row, I want to make sure that the shoulder stays in a good position. So normally with a row, I tell you to kind of row back, shoulder comes back, down into the back pocket, and you only row as far as this upper arm is in line with your torso, just so we stay out of that anterior glide. Well, with the rotation, it's really easy to kind of like do that. I want you to stay tall, and so even though you're rotating and reaching with the opposite arm, I want you to stay tall with this shoulder here and pull it back as opposed to there, okay? Now, when you reach with the opposite arm, head stays stationary, belt buckle stays stationary, and you're here, okay? Exhale, rotate the opposite way. Get a good reach with the left side, pull the right shoulder back, keep it down and in line with the torso, but you're rotating. Okay, so breathe in, exhale. Now, from the front, just so you get an idea, you want to make sure your head stays stationary. So focus on a point in front of you, because as you rotate, I want you to be here, rotating back and forth, as opposed to something like, I'm trying to think how it would work, coming off that center point. Okay, I'm not sure if it would be this way or this way. I do see it, I see people kind of rocking back and forth a lot, and I know they're not trying to do anything to the rib cage, they're just kind of not paying attention to paying attention to the rotation. So again, head stays stationary, focus on a point straight in front of you, and just rotate the shoulders without moving the middle part of your torso. Guys, that is your band seated single arm alternating row with a reach.